Right, we're on Friday afternoon now. I think I better look at these fallen trees. Nope, it's not live. Oh, it's pulled one down, I can see it. Should be 3 wires. That sounded like an eagle. Oh, hell. Turkey buzzard vultures. Yeah. What's happened over here as well? Completely submerged. It's like a swamp type thing. Yeah, that's really underwater. Okay, branch down. Oh, there's more debris further up as well. This thing laying across. Well, that's nice. Very nice. Oh heck, that one hanging on the wire. Oh, it's some size too. You can see where one shaded off from a tree up there, and then this one here. So there we are, that's the position of what's going on here. I have no idea when I'm going to get internet. It'll be when you see this video. What I am going to do is start cleaning some of this stuff up. It's not like that one. It should save the fellas a few minutes anyway if I start. There, it's a bit better. A bit more of a route through. Just spoken to one of the neighbours, and his truck's down there, the white one, and he said him and a friend are coming out tonight with chainsaws if nobody's been, just so they can get rid of those trees, these things that are actually blocking, and then we can all get out because there's one road in, one road out. Anyway, thanks for watching.